We're here in Phoenix at Truck Access Plus, where we specialize in bed covers on these new pickup trucks. We got two hard folding covers we're gonna compare today. Ultra Flex made by UnderCover. It's a low profile, sleek metallic finish. They call this gunmetal. You can see how nice and polished it looks. Gives it a nice shine with the carpeted panels underneath to match the XLT mat. This is made by Bed Rug. Your bed's gonna stay nice and insulated and cool. These panels are cool to the touch with the carpet underneath. And then you can fold it up all the way. And this Ultra Flex actually stands straight up, so you can see it never hits the back window. Then we also did a backflip MX4. It's in this folded up position. One of the differences, you can see this one actually leans against the back. This one has a matte black finish on it. They're both gonna keep the bed secure. They both give you a great sleek look. We have them in stock for the pickup Dodge Ram. Visit us in Phoenix or shop online, truckaccessplus.com.